Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian guys. I'm learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll tell you like how can we improve our communication skill to stay at home and how can we be consistent, because the consistency is the key of success. Many people say like if you want to improve something in your life, if you want to do anything in your life, so you have to be consistent. So what does it mean, consistency? Consistency is the part of your strategy, like when you do anything, when you, like if we talk about English, if you are also struggling to learn this language, so you have to be consistent every day. You have to learn every day something, so you can learn and you can speak this language, because english is uh, english is not a subject. English is a language. As uh, as you speak Hindi, but if we talk about earlier, so that times uh, you didn't know like how to speak Hindi. But after some time, if you talk about a child, how child learn this language, because first they try to listen every single word in Hindi, and after that they try to again and again, they try speak again and again, and after that also they make a lot of mistake, but they like learn about their mistake. So this is like mean. As I talk about English, so if we want to speak English fluently, so we have to be consistent, and I know every people make mistake. If we talk about advanced speaker also do mistake, but mistake is a part of learning. Don't uh, uh, don't feel demotivate about mistake, because mistake is a part of learning. If we are doing mistake, that means we are learning. But we have to be consistent, like uh, we have to listen English 5 to 10 minutes every day. We can listen interview, we can listen podcast, we can listen stories, we can listen any YouTube video, but you have to listen in English every single video. So if we are doing this type of things, and so you can build the habit of speaking, you can learn this language. And many people say like I understand English, but I don't know how to speak this language. But when it comes to speak, so I feel hesitate and shy. So this happen is by like, what is the reason behind of it? Because we know English, and we know how to read, we know how to think in our mind, but when it's come to speak, so we don't habit to speak English every day, because we don't practice English every day. We listen English, we read English, but we can't speak without practice. If you do practice English every day, so you can speak and you can like become a fluent speaker. So guys, if we talk about myself, so I was beginner. When I was beginner, so I also do a lot of mistake, and right now also I'm speaking in front of you, so you can also uh, find my mistake, because sometimes I also make mistake. Every person make mistake is a part of learning. But the main thing is you have to speak every day. Just try again and again, just try again and again and speak aloud, so you can learn and you can speak. You have to make the habit of speaking to yourself. So guys, if we do this type of things, so we can learn, we can improve our communication skill. So guys, this is a language, not a subject. If you are also thinking to learn this language, so you have to familiar, and you have to create your inner environment. Because we don't have an environment of English. Our native language is Hindi. Every person is surrounded me and you also speak Hindi, and when we try to speak English in daily life, so mostly persons say like she is showing attitude. So that's why that times we feel demotivate, and we try to quit. So guys, if you really want to improve and create your inner environment, so you have to speak yourself, and ChatGPT is also best friend. You can use it, and you can talk to ChatGPT, and if you have a friend, so you can talk to your friends. And one more important habit is, when you when you chat with your friends, so just try to make sentences in English every time. Make the habit to create the sentences in English, because this is very helpful. And if we do these small things, so we can learn so many things. Our mind also think in English directly. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you. So thank you so much guys. Enjoy the weather, because it's raining today. It's windy weather, so that's why I'm on terrace right now, so you can enjoy the weather, and we will meet again in next video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, so don't forget the like button, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.